frayed at the end.
Yep.
Okay, that needs to go into a bike shop and be replaced.
Okay.
It's never going to sit in its gear properly.
Yep.
Okay, so I'll do my best with it now.
Cool.
I'll loop things up and make it shift as good as I can, but ideally you need to get the cables replaced.
Yep.
It's a bit less squeaky, eh?
Yeah, obviously needed oil.
Hi, my name is Ida Mäkelä, and I'm from Finland. And I just heard about this event from a girl who sells bicycles in the Buy, Sell and Swap magazine, and she didn't have anything for me, so I went to the recycling center and found the perfect bike for me that way. It works as is, but it could use some work, and it's handy that these guys put some oil and whatever for the gears to work better. And now I'm able to bike to my work. I live in Motueka and do some apple farm work there. It's my way to get around, really. Perfect.
So how was that?
Oh, that! It worked like a dream compared to what it was before.
Fantastic. That's what we
Sweet.
want to hear.
Yeah,
Perfect.
good work. Thanks, guys.
Enjoy riding.
It still goes, it's 25 years old, it still goes really well. But
Oh, yeah.
So, gears are getting a bit out of sync.
The speed. Hold that one forward and it'll jump up and then you better pedal along.
Okay.
So it's just because the gear cable's a bit old, yeah.
Right, let's pump away. But it's still got me. I need to replace the brake pads.
Yeah.
Because they're just worn right up.
We own about 6 bikes. There's only 4 of us in the family. We ride every weekend, sometimes two, 3 times a week. My son rides to school every day. And we're on our way home. And now I've decided to get our bike serviced because they well and truly need it.
That's the hanger, this part here. It's loose to start with. It's also bent, which is why you're pretty noisy. Okay.
Thanks very much.